We need to assemble a roadheader. Done! And now we need to fuel the roadheader. Pump. Don't stop. Let's make a tunnel in the rock to shorten the way to the town. Let's weld a crack on the roadheader. Keep up the good work. And now let's grind the seam. That's all. Choose the same color as in the cloud to... We did it! Let's load the details for rails onto the track laying machine. Don't stop! Let's lay the rails in the tunnel. That's all. Let's arrange lighting in the tunnel. Done! And now let's load paints and the railway signal into the minecart. Amazing! Let's install a railway signal and paint the entrance to the tunnel. Keep it up. You're doing really great. Let's crush large rocks for the construction site. That's all. Let's assemble the excavator. Don't stop. And now we need to fuel the excavator. Pump. Ready. Let's prepare a foundation pit. Let's load concrete blocks for the foundation into the crane with cargo bed. Keep up the good work. Let's lay the base for the foundation of the station. Amazing! And now let's load the bricks for the station building into the open wagon. Ready. Now let's build a station building. Hey! Let's fuel the crane. Pump. Done! The station building needs a roof. Let's install it. Let's paint the station building. And now let's load the stained glass windows and doors for the station building into the glass transporting car. Keep up the good work. Let's install windows and doors. We need to assemble a motor car. We did it! Let's decorate the territory of the station together. Let's weld a crack on the motor car. We did it! Let's grind the welding seam. Don't stop. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble the locomotive. Amazing! Let's fuel the locomotive. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's apply the railroad logo on the locomotive. We need to wash the locomotive. That's all. And now let's load the interior objects into the sleeping car. Keep up the good work. We need luggage to travel comfortably. Really great. Let's assemble the train. Go on. Ready. Now passengers can travel in comfort. Thanks to the tunnel, it will take less time to get to the town.